The first step in configuring BigPicture for users or groups is to grant them app access. Use the following steps to assign the app user role to an individual. Click the wrench icon in the upper right-hand corner and select Security. 5 app role permissions are displayed, along with descriptions. App Admin, full administrative access to app configuration, business administration, and all boxes. App Financial Admin, full access to the Financials module, only for boxes the user has access to, and can edit hourly rates. App Financial Viewer, access to the Financials module, only for boxes the user has access to, without edit permissions. App Resource Admin, basic access to BigPicture, same as an app user, with additional access to the Resources section in Administration. App User, basic access to BigPicture that is dependent on individual permissions at the box level. Expand App User, Users, and locate the appropriate user in the drop-down menu. Note that you can search for a user by typing the first few letters of their name. Enter a checkmark next to the user's name.